Today's recipe is Brussels sprouts and cheese sauce for a side dish. The ingredients are 2 10-ounce packages of frozen Brussels sprouts or steamed, 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of flour, a half teaspoon dry mustard, 3/4 teaspoon salt, dash pepper, dash cayenne, 1 cup milk or light cream, and 1 cup grated chopped cheddar cheese. In a small saucepan, you slowly melt the butter. Don't brown it. Remove it from the heat and you stir in the flour, mustard, salt, pepper, cayenne, and milk until smooth. You put it back on the burner, bring it to boiling, stirring until it's thickened. Reduce the heat, add cheese, and cook stirring until the cheese is melted and the mixture is smooth.